In this demonstration, you'll learn to create single-value results in AnSYS AIM using the function calculator and expressions. I've created a simulation process using the fluid region of an exhaust manifold with one velocity inlet and two zero-pressure outlets. In the graphics viewer, I'll right-click to add a calculated value result at the inlet. In the property panel, I'll set the function to average, and I'll select velocity magnitude as my variable. I'll select inlet 1 from the drop-down menu for location. I'll rename this calculated value result as velocity inlet. When I evaluate this result, I get a value of 25 meters per second at the inlet boundary. Similarly, I'll create a calculated value result for the outlet velocity. In the graphics viewer, I'll right-click to add a calculated value result. I'll set the function to average, and I'll select velocity magnitude as my variable. I'll select outlet 1 from the drop-down menu for location. This selects both tips of the exhaust outlet. I'll rename this calculated value result as velocity outlet. When I evaluate this result, I get an average velocity of 6.2 meters per second across the two outlets. Now, I'll create another calculated value result object to calculate the difference in area average velocity between the inlet and the outlet using an expression. In the graphics viewer, I'll right-click to add a calculated value result. I'll change the method to user-defined expression. Under expressions, I'll enter the following text. In the task page, I'll rename this calculated value result as velocity difference. When I evaluate this result, I get a value of 18.7 meters per second. The difference in the average velocities is a result of the difference in the diameters of the inlet and outlets of the exhaust manifold. And that completes this demonstration of calculated value results.